I can also extend piles or trim piles against a topography in Revit. So if I run pile extend trim, if I want, I can select a surface in a linked project, but I'm just going to extend it to the surface I have in my project. Then I'm going to press extend trim, and the piles are going to be trimmed to that surface. If I want coordinate data on my piles, I go to Naviate Accelerate, update project, and shared coordinates. So I'm going to update my shared coordinates. I'm going to do it on manual for my structural foundations. And I can also run the updater from here by clicking the green arrow. So when I've done this, I'm going to have coordinates for my piles.